Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to backup data on your device. So friends, before we start the video, I want to remind you, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then scroll down to account and backup, okay, here. Then click on backup data. Here is the backup data, okay, backup data. So you can choose apps also. Just click on this icon and it will not be backup. The backup will be set off, okay. Which apps that you want to backup, just click on that icon like this on, okay. And if you don't want to backup on that apps, just click on this icon like this and it will be set off, okay, like this. So you can do like this. If you want to backup, just click on this icon, all should be turned on, okay, and click on backup and it will be backup, okay. So friends, your data will be backup like this. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.